that wasn't too bad, just flying around that field there, through the hay bales. Might have seen some birds as well. I think I seen something fly past, so that'll be good if I caught that on camera. Yeah, I was just testing out the new props that I've got from Master Prop Turbine Blades or whatever it's called. You know who they are. They're red and there's 3 of them. 3 blades per prop. There's 4 props, otherwise the drone will fall out of the sky. Oh, now the sun's gone in. Oh, it's man. Anyway. Well, that was good fun. Just flying around the field back there with the hay bales in. Might have even been a few... What the hell's that? Moving.